Welcome to our lesson on sea creatures. The ocean is home to an incredible variety of animals, each adapted to life in the water. In this lesson, we will explore some of the most fascinating sea creatures such as the shark, the whale, the dolphin, the octopus, and the jellyfish. By the end, you will understand what makes each of them unique and important to the ocean ecosystem. A shark is one of the strongest and fastest swimmers in the sea. It has sharp senses that help it detect even a single drop of blood from far away. Sharks play an important role by keeping fish populations balanced and healthy. Although they may look dangerous, most sharks do not attack humans and are vital for ocean life. The whale is the largest animal on Earth. It is a gentle giant that lives completely in the ocean, but still breathes air through a blowhole on the top of its head. Whales communicate with each other through deep, beautiful sounds that can travel for long distances underwater. Some species of whales migrate thousands of miles every year in search of food and warmer waters. The dolphin is a friendly and intelligent sea mammal known for its playful behavior. Dolphins live in groups called pods and use sounds like clicks and whistles to talk to each other. They are fast swimmers and often leap out of the water with joy. Dolphins are also known for helping one another and sometimes even helping humans in the water. The octopus is truly fascinating. It has 8 flexible arms covered with tiny suction cups that help it grab objects and move around. The octopus can change its color and texture to hide from predators. It is one of the most intelligent sea creatures and has been known to solve puzzles, open jars, and even escape from tanks. The jellyfish is a soft, graceful creature that moves through the water by gently pulsing its bell-shaped body. It does not have bones, a brain, or a heart. Some jellyfish have long tentacles that can sting, which they use to catch small prey. Certain types of jellyfish can glow beautifully in the dark parts of the ocean, creating magical light under the sea. Every sea creature has its own special way of surviving and living in the ocean. The shark is strong and fierce, the whale is a peaceful giant, and the dolphin is smart and social. The octopus is a master of disguise, while the jellyfish moves gracefully and glows in the dark. Together, they show how life in the sea can take so many amazing forms. Sea creatures have many unique adaptations to help them survive in their watery world. Some can blend into their surroundings using camouflage. Others, like dolphins, use sound waves called sonar to locate food and communicate. A few ocean species create light in their bodies, a process known as bioluminescence, which helps them find food or attract mates in the dark depths of the ocean. Sea creatures are essential to keeping our planet in balance. Whales circulate nutrients through the water when they dive and surface. Sharks control the number of fish to prevent overpopulation. Even tiny plankton, floating near the ocean surface, produce most of the oxygen that humans and animals breathe. The health of the ocean affects all life on Earth. The ocean is a world of wonder, full of color, sound, and life. Each creature, small or large, has a role in keeping it alive and balanced. From the powerful shark to the delicate jellyfish, every species shows how diverse and beautiful nature can be. Protecting the ocean means protecting life itself for all the generations to come.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.